New tonight at 10, if you live in Champaign, you might have noticed the noise barriers going up on I-57 and 74. Experts say they're built to block loud noises, and it's not only to protect construction workers. Exposure to loud noises can have an impact on your hearing and health as well. Health experts say high blood pressure, strokes, and heart attacks are just some of the effects loud noises and high-pitched sounds can cause. Our bodies perceive those noises as a threat and can lead to an increase in adrenaline. One doctor says the best way to improve your health is to avoid those loud noises as much as possible.
It's hard to make somebody move to avoid loud noises. I would say if you're in the market for buying a new house, maybe don't buy one that's in an area with a lot of loud noise. Maybe spend some time in that neighborhood. And if there's a lot of loud noise, just like right here, you might want to avoid living in that area, especially if you have high blood pressure.
He says exposure to more than 80 decibels of loud noise can cause those hearing issues. He says ear protection like noise-canceling headphones or plugs can help.